Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this green smoky eye makeup look for you guys. As you guys already know, Eid is around the corner and we have just entered the festive season. Even wedding season is on, so if you are celebrating Eid, you can surely wear this look, and if not, there is a lot more coming up. Many festivals are on the way, so you can surely wear this look in any of the occasion. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I think I'm going to do lots of videos this month. And yeah, let's not further ado, please get into this video. So I'm starting with the primer first, and for that I'm going with this L'Oreal Base Magique, and I'm going to apply this on the T-zone area and blend it out with my fingers. And for the foundation, I'll be going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. And I'll be applying this all over my face with a beauty sponge. And now to highlight and conceal my face, I'll be going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'll be going with this on the areas I normally highlight. And even I'll be going with this on the eyelids area. I think I need little more coverage underneath my eyes, and for that I'm going with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And again going to blend this out. And now to bake underneath my eyes, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And even I'm going to set the rest of my face with the same powder. And even I'm going to set my eyes with the same powder. Now for my transition shade, I'll be going with this bronzer from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be applying this on the crease area and blend it in the back and forward motion. And next I'm moving on to this shade from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And I'll be applying this till the 1/3 of my eyes. And now again I'll be going with the same bronzer and blend it out on the edges so there are no harsh lines. Now from PAC Cosmetics, I'm going with this dark green shade from the palette number 2. And I'll be going with this on the outer corner of my eyes. And again I'll be going with the same bronzer and blend out the edges. And now I'm going to dust all the excess powder from my face. And now I'll be going with this pale gold shade on the inner corners and even on my eyebrow bone. And now to tight line and waterline my eyes, I'll be going with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So now to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm again going with the same green and I'll be smoking out my lower lash line. And even I'll be going with this darker shade. And again I'll be going with this on the lower lash line on the outer corner. And now for my eyeliner, I'll be going with this Black Magic liquid liner from Nykaa. And I'll be going with a winged liner. And now to finish off my eyes, I'm going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So guys, I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to fill in my brows off the camera. But if you wish to check out my eyebrow routine, you can just check out this eye right here. You'll reach that video. So I'll just go and fill in my brows and be back. So guys, finally I filled in my brows and now I'm moving on to contouring my face, and for that I'll be going with Wet n Wild contour palette and I'll be going with the contour shade. And I'll be going with this on the areas I generally contour my face. So after contouring my face, now I'll move on to my blusher, and for that I'll go with all the three colors right here. I'm going to mix it all, tap off any excess and apply this on the apples of my cheeks. By the way, this is the Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. And now for my highlighter, I'll be going with this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. On the bridge of my nose, on the tip, on my cupid's bow, lightly on the chin, on the high points of my cheeks, and whatever is left, I'll be applying this on the forehead. Now I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner in the shade Hot Red. And now for my lipstick, I'll be going with the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Fan. So guys, this is how the look turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and even follow me on my social medias. Everything is just above there and even on the description box. So do check it out and do follow me there. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, I want to wish you all a very happy Eid in advance. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.